Hey gamers, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the duckstation emulator for your phone. So this works on iOS and Android. So as you can see guys, we got it right here. So this is an emulator guys where you can run all of your favorite PlayStation 1 games like Final Fantasy, Metal Gear Solid, Resident Evil 2, Tekken 3, Gran Turismo 2. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your device. It's pretty easy. You got some settings up here as you can see. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So what you want to do is go to the website tweakmod.com, type in duckstation and go ahead and press install. So before the emulator downloads, there's going to be one more step, and that is the verification step. So during this step, we need to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store, and this will install the duckstation emulator into your device. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for it to load here. As you can see, it shouldn't take that long, but I'm just going to let it download. So yeah, it's really cool because a lot of people don't have this emulator and they want it. So as you can see guys, it's going to say missing files. So what you need to do is download some of these apps from the app store. They're all free. So like Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. So you just press on it and it will take you to the app store, and you just want to download 2 of the apps and then you should be good to go. So that's how I get duckstation emulator for your phone. Just make sure that you download 2 of these and you read the instructions and follow them, because some people do not do that guys, and then they screw themselves because what they do is they download the app and they don't do anything on the app, and that is where you can go wrong. So I'm gonna see you guys later and peace out.